Hi, today I'm with me Cat S53 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first, open the Muviz Edge application and here select one from the available tabs, click to apply. We could here add the backgrounds if you want. Just to use one from the backgrounds, you should swipe to the up or to the down, then tap to apply. We could hide music controls after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, to show notifications, calendar, the date by click to the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging or never. Let's go back, click to the 6 icon and switch AOD to the settings. Tap here to always on display. Here we could show it on lock screen always while charging on music. We could use also this option separately. We could decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the screen timeout, low power after time, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap, to close it with a fingerprint, on screen off, to set the schedule, the start and the end time, to use it in the pocket mode to turn it off, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.